Hey guys, so I'm gonna just start right off and I'm going to tell you the ingredients that you're gonna need to make your vegan cupcakes. Okay, so I know I have 3 flavors here, but I am going to be doing the lemon flavor first. So, and all of this may not be in one video also. So these are just the ingredients that you're gonna need. Do not, you see this vegan butter? Don't get that vegan butter. Please don't get that vegan butter because it's not unsalted. It's salty. Salty. So I'm starting off with my box of lemon cake mix and my all-purpose flour. Okay. So I'm going to be using 1 cup of all-purpose flour. I'm going to leave the ingredients in the description box below also, but I'm going to tell you also in the video. So I'm starting off with my 1 cup of all-purpose flour. I'm also starting off with 1 box of lemon pudding, not jello. Not jello, it's lemon pudding. This is what's going to get your cupcakes flavorful and moist. Okay, moist. So now I'm going in with my baking powder. And y'all gonna have to excuse me because I forgot my measuring spoons at home. So I'm just gonna be using a teaspoon. Okay, so it's not an accurate measurement. I'm just putting a little bit in there. Now I'm going in with my baking soda. If I can figure out how to open it. Wrong way. Okay, now we on track. Baking soda, and I'm doing the same thing that I did before with the baking powder. Now I'm going to put these flavor bursts into my cupcake or cake mix, and you can apply as much as you like. It doesn't necessarily have to be a little bit. It's just to your preference of what you like. Now I'm going to be using some pure extract lemon. This is what's gonna boost the flavor into your cupcakes. Now those bursts, those lemon bursts, that lemon pudding and the lemon extract, these cupcakes is gonna be bomb. Your cake, your cupcakes, your cookies, whatever you're gonna use this to make with your box mix. Okay, so these are vegan. So there's no eggs, there's no whole milk, none of that in here. All right. So this is why I'm adding the extra ingredients other than just following the box, because I don't want my cupcakes to be limped. Okay, I still want them to be able to rise. So I'm taking some apple cider vinegar, and that's what's gonna make the cupcakes rise with the baking soda and the baking powder. Now I'm going to be taking my almond milk, and I'm going to be using 1.5 cup of that. And I also have my dairy-free creamer, and this is in the flavor vanilla. Now I suggest that when you're using like creamers and almond milk and almond creamer and everything like that, I suggest that you go with the unsweetened, because I'm doing lemon. So this would have been good if I was using vanilla almond milk and vanilla creamer with vanilla cupcakes, but because I'm doing lemon, I would suggest that you go with the unsweetened, so that way it doesn't take away from the actual flavor of what other flavor you're doing. For our strawberry, chocolate, lemon, you know, blue velvet, whatever. So I'm going in with a 1/2 cup of oil, and I'm just going in with a little bit of lemon extract. And now I'm going to walk it over to my mixer. And I'm going to turn my mixer on low speed. Now, while this is mixing, you can go ahead and start filling your cupcake tins. But because I already did that, I'm just gonna, just go ahead and speed this up a little bit for you guys. And even though there's no eggs and no animal's milk in here, your cake batter should still look like cake batter. It shouldn't be thin. It shouldn't be loose and runny and have no body to it, no volume, no nothing. It should still look like cake batter. And this time, actually, guys, you can actually have your kids eat the rest of, or, you know, lick the bowl or lick the spoon or the spatula, whatever the case may be, because it doesn't have any eggs in it. So nobody can get contaminated by, what, salmonella? So quick tip that I want to show you guys. If you do not have a ice cream scooper, if you do not have like actual measuring spoon for your cupcakes, like the jumbo and the mini ones that you can perfectly find from like Walmart or Amazon, if you cannot find one of those, you can easily use a measuring cup, a 1/3, I believe it's a 1/3. Yeah, a 1/3 measuring cup, and it would measure your cupcakes to the perfect height every time.